We've been asked to calculate the opening and closing trade payables. The formula for trade payable turnover ratio, turnover ratio is equal to net credit purchases, net credit purchases upon average trade payables. Okay. And similarly, average trade payables, trade payables is equal to opening trade payables, opening trade payables plus closing trade payables. Okay, bills upon 2. Now we have been given total purchases, we've been given cash purchases as 25% of credit purchases. You need to understand that total purchases is equal to cash purchases plus credit purchases, plus credit purchases. Now that we have this, we can solve for credit purchases first. We know that total purchases is 15 lakhs. So 15, okay, 15 lakhs is equal to cash purchase plus credit purchase. And we do not know either of those numbers. Okay. But if I was to take credit purchase as X, then cash purchase has to be 25% of X. Okay. And now I can proceed to solve. Okay. So we have 15 lakhs is equal to 0.25x plus 1x. Okay. X means 1x, which is okay. And now let's see. So 15 lakhs is equal to 1.25x. And now we can say that 15 lakhs upon 1.25 is equal to x. Okay, I'm flipping it. X is equal to 15 lakhs upon, okay, and okay, maybe I'll just write it like this: 15 lakhs upon 125, and I can add two more zeros here because two more zeros for two decimal spots. Now, solving this should be easy. Okay, and you can do it 25 at a time, 5 at a time. That's entirely up to you. Okay, so if you want 5 threes are 5 25s are. Okay, so you've ended up with this. Then 5 6 are 5 5s are. You have left with this. 5 ones are and 5 12s are. And we have 1 2 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, so what we have got over here is credit purchases. Therefore, credit purchases is equal to 12 lakhs. Now I'm going to go upstairs to the formula with this 12 lakhs that I've just calculated. Okay, and I am going to, substitute. I'm going to substitute the values we have in place. So, for example, the trade payable turnover ratio we know is 4 times. So, I'm going to say 4 is equal to, okay, and I know it is equal to cash purchases, which we've got as 12 lakhs upon average trade payables. All right, average trade payables. And now I'm going to continue simplifying it over here. Average trade payables is division, goes upstairs, it becomes multiplication. 4 is multiplication, it goes down, it becomes division. So I can say average trade payables is equal to 12 lakhs. Okay, is equal to 12 lakhs upon 4, which gives me 3 lakhs. Now that I have average trade payables as 3 lakhs, 3 lakhs will equal opening trade payables plus closing trade payables quantity. Okay, so 3 lakhs is equal to opening trade payables. Now they have told us that closing trade payables is 2 times opening trade payables. That means if I was to take opening trade payables as X, then closing trade payables would be 2x. Okay, so we've got X plus 2x upon 2. And then we take it forward. Okay, and I'm saying that 2 over here is division because that side it becomes multiplication. So we are saying 6 lakhs is equal to x plus 2x. Therefore, 3x is equal to 6 lakhs. Therefore, x is equal to 2 lakhs. Now remember, this x is our opening trade payables. Okay, so the question is to calculate opening and closing trade payables. The 2 lakhs, the 2 lakhs that we just got over here is our opening trade payables. Okay, so if the opening trade payables is 2 lakhs and closing trade payables is 2 times 2 lakhs, that number will be 4 lakhs. Okay, so you'll just conclude once by saying that for opening trade payables useful forms is 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs, and closing trade payables is 4 lakhs. Okay, rupee 2 lakhs, rupee 4 lakhs. Any doubts, feel free to message in the comments. And as always, please like, share, and subscribe.